Okay, now let's start with the same exercise that we were doing in the last class, exercise 2.6, question number 3, 7.9 divided by 1000. We have to divide this 7.9 with 1000. So in case of division, beta, you have to shift the decimal towards the left. If multiplication is there, you will shift the decimal towards the right. And in case of division, you will shift the decimal towards the left. And one more thing, this will only happen if zeros are there with 1. अगर कोई number है यहाँ पे suppose 2000 है या 3000 है, then the method is different. You will divide it by 3, then you will put 3 zeros and you will shift the decimal. And that type of case I will discuss also. Just see this. 3 zeros are there, so you will shift the decimal before 3 digit. Decimal यहाँ है, it will shift 3 places, 1, 2, 3. And no number is here, you will put decimal and it will become 0.0079. Next, look at the second example, 26.3 divided by 1000. So you will shift this decimal before the 3 digit, so 1 digit, 2 digit, 3rd digit and so on. Is it okay? So in this beta, you will shift the decimal before 3 digits to the left. So 2 digits are there, 3rd digit is missing, so I have written 0 here. Is it okay? Now the next is 38.53. 38.53 divided by 1000. So 38.53 divided by 1000, you will shift 3 zeros, means you will put decimal before the 3 digits. 1, 2 digits are there, but we want 3 zeros, so you will put 1 0 here. 1, 2, 3rd digit is missing, so I will put 0. Is it okay? Any doubt, beta? Is this clear? Now, beta, we are discussing question number 5. One more thing I want to tell you. Beta, जो भी हमने previous question discuss किया है, in the book, it is marked as question number 3. But I think question number 4 is missing. So that must be question number 4. You can check the printing in your book. Question number 3 के बाद second part is not mentioned with the number. So maybe it's 4th part. Okay, so this is your 5th question. So I am writing the same question number that is written in my book. You please check out the part. This is question number 5, first part. Yes, look here, beta. This is completely different from the parts that we have already discussed in the first 3 questions. We want to divide 7 with 3.5. In the previous question, all the question, decimal was there, but in the numerator. Now in this question, decimal is there in the denominator. So what you will do, you will proceed in the same manner. You will remove this decimal and you will put 0 in the numerator. So keep this thing in mind. When you are removing the decimal from the numerator, you will put 0 in the denominator. But in the reverse part, if you are removing the decimal from the denominator, you will put 0 in the numerator. Is it okay? Now, remove this 0. After the decimal, I am having 1 digit. So, you will multiply here with 10. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Now, this will become 70 upon 35. I have written this. I have multiplied this, but it's your wish whether you want to multiply. Otherwise, you can proceed in this manner also. No need to multiply these two numbers. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now the answer becomes 10 upon 5. So when you divide this you will get as 2. No need to multiply, okay? You can move in this manner also. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, answer is 2. Now the next part is second part, that is 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2. 2. Wait. Next part. Second part is 36 divided by 0.2. Now write this in the divide form. So divide I can write like this, numerator upon denominator. Remove this decimal, it will become 10 in the numerator. Why I have written 10? Can I write 100 at its place? No, because after the decimal I am having one digit. So you will put 10 here. अगर decimal के बाद 2 number होते, you will put 100 here. If decimal के बाद 3 numbers होते, you will write 1000 here. So here your number will be 36 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. इन्हें multiply करो. 6 fives are 30. 5 threes are 15. Plus 3, 80. Your answer is 180. Is it okay? Any doubt, beta? Any doubt, beta? Let's discuss one another part from this same question. C part, that is 3.25 divided by 0.5. Beta, any problem in the first two parts? Any problem, beta? Okay, now let's start with this. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Beta, as you can see that in the numerator, after the decimal, 2 digits are there. So when you remove this decimal, you will write 100 in the denominator. But when you remove this decimal from the denominator, I'm having one number after the decimal. So you will write 10 in the numerator. Is it okay? Any problem, beta? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Is this clear, beta? Now, 0 will cancel out. We are left with 325 upon 5 into 10. Is it okay, beta? Nothing, no cutting I have done. I have just simply cancel out the 0 and the remaining things I have written same. Is it okay, Shubh? Shubh, yes. 7th, hey, beta, is it this clear? Is this clear? Now cancel it out. You all know how to cancel out the term verbally, or you can divide it also. I am doing verbally. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. Kitna bach gaya? 2. It will become 25. 5 5s are 25. Now the number has changed to 65 upon 10. So the answer is 6.5. Is it okay? Now the next part is beta, fourth part I am discussing. In this you have to divide 30.94 with 0.7. When you remove this decimal, after the decimal 2 digits are there. So in the denominator you will write 100. In the denominator we have 0.7. After the decimal 1 digit is there. So you will put 10 in the numerator. Is it okay? Now, 0 will cancel out. Write the remaining term as it is. Don't make any change. I have just written the remaining things. Now, cancel out the terms. You can divide 3094 with 7, but I will always suggest you to divide verbally. 7 fours are 28. 2 is left. Take the next digit. 7 fours are 28. 1 is left. Take next digit. 7 twos are 14. Answer is, when you divide this, you will get 442. So answer is 442 upon 10. When you write this in the decimal form, you will put the decimal before one digit from the last, that is 42, 44.2. Any doubt, beta? बहुत हैंड रेज करते हो, क्या हो गया आपको? हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम प्लीज ये दोबारा रिपीट कर दो, थोड़ा नेटवर्क कनेक्शन।
मैं अगला करवा रही हूँ, बिल्कुल सेम है। मैंने जो लास्ट पास डिस्कस किया था वो भी सेम था, बिल्कुल सेम था। मैं और करवा देती हूँ, देखते जाओ, और करवा देती हूँ। सारे डिस्कस कर रही हूँ मैं, सारे पार्ट। Okay, now let's start with the next part, that is fifth part. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Now beta, again in this part you will write this in the divide form. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Now remove this decimal. After the decimal, two digits are there, so you will put 100 in the numerator. We are removing the decimal from the numerator, so you will put a 10 in the denominator, because after the decimal one digit is. यहाँ 2 थी तो 2 0, यहाँ 1 digit थी तो 1. 1 0 will cancel out. We are left with 5 into 10 upon 25. Hope this is clear to you all. Now the next step is 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So we are left with 10 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Answer is 2. Is it clear, beta? Now, next part is sixth part, 7.75 divided by 0.25. 7.75 divided by 0.25. In the numerator, I am having two digits after the decimal. So for removing the decimal, you will put 100 in the denominator, because two digits are there after the decimal. In the same manner, after the decimal, two digits are there in the denominator. So when you remove this decimal, it will become 100 in the numerator. Now, what you will do, beta? What will be the next step? What will be the next step, beta? In this, 100 and 100 will cancel out. We are left with 775 upon 20. Now, here you can divide it directly. 775 will be divisible by 25. You can divide it directly, or you can cancel it out with 5 as well. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5, 2 is left, it will become 27. 5 5s are 25, again 2 is left, 5 5s are 25. And if you don't know how to divide like this, you can simply divide 775 with 5. 5 ones are 5, 2 is left, take the next digit, 5 5s are 25. 2 is left, take the next digit down, 5 5s are 25. So we have got 155 after dividing it with 5. So I have written 155. Now we are left with 155 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 ones are 5. So your answer is 31 upon 1, that is again 30. 31 upon 1 is 31. Question number 6, that is statement sum. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol is 43.2 kilometer. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. What you will do? Will you multiply or you will divide?
Divide, ma'am, divide.
Divide, because it is unitary method. आपको बड़े नंबर की वैल्यू दे रखी है, and we are reducing it. So whenever we are reducing it, we have to divide. So 43 by 2 will be divided by 2.4. And hope you all are able to solve this. So when you remove this decimal, you will put 10 in the numerator. After removing this decimal, you will put 10 in the denominator. 10 will cancel out. We are left with 432 divided by 24. Now, you can divide it directly with 24 or you can cancel it out with the smaller number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. This is 12 again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 is not divisible, so I will put 0. 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. Again cancel it out. 54, 3. When you cancel it out, what you will get? What you will get? You will get 18 kilometers.
18.
So in 1 liter of petrol, the distance covered will be 18 kilometers. So with this beta, we have completed our chapter number 2. And in the next class, we will discuss the next chapter,